Which insurance offers the best full coverage for electric vehicles? If you are curious about which insurance provides the best full coverage for electric vehicles, you are in the right place. Let's break down what full coverage means and how it applies to electric vehicles. Full coverage auto insurance typically includes liability coverage, comprehensive coverage, and collision coverage. For electric vehicles, these policies work similarly to those for traditional gasoline-powered cars, but there are some unique factors to consider. Electric vehicles usually cost more to insure than their gasoline counterparts. This is mainly because electric vehicles have higher purchase prices and more expensive repair costs, especially for their batteries and specialized parts. Therefore, it is essential to shop around and compare different insurance providers to find the best full coverage options tailored for electric vehicles. Major insurance companies such as Geico, Progressive, Nationwide, Liberty Mutual, and Allstate offer full coverage policies for electric vehicles. These companies provide standard auto insurance coverages, including bodily injury liability, property damage liability, personal injury protection, uninsured motorist coverage, collision, and comprehensive coverage. While electric vehicle owners can expect similar coverage options as traditional vehicles, rates may be higher due to the factors mentioned earlier. Some insurers offer discounts specifically for electric and hybrid vehicles. For instance, companies like Travelers and Lemonade may provide green vehicle discounts, which can help lower your premiums. When considering full coverage for an electric vehicle, it is also important to note that high-end electric vehicles, like Tesla models, often come with higher insurance premiums compared to more affordable options like the Volkswagen ID or Nissan Leaf. This is due to the higher replacement and repair costs associated with luxury electric vehicles. The cost of insuring an electric vehicle varies significantly based on the make and model. For example, the Volkswagen ID is among the cheapest electric vehicles to insure, while the Tesla Model X is one of the most expensive. On average, insuring an electric vehicle can cost about 20 to 25% more than insuring a comparable gasoline-powered car. To find the best full coverage insurance for electric vehicles, consider providers that offer comprehensive and collision coverage, along with standard liability protections. Look for competitive rates that reflected the repair costs and value of electric vehicles. Additionally, check for discounts or incentives for electric vehicle owners and consider specialized policies for high-value electric vehicles if applicable. Shopping around among major insurers like Geico, Progressive, Allstate, and Nationwide while also considering discounts from companies like Travelers or Lemonade is the best way to find the right full coverage insurance for your electric vehicle. Choosing an electric vehicle model known for lower insurance costs can also help reduce your overall insurance expenses.